Searching images on Google is easy, all right? These are the steps you need to take. First is double click on your Chrome browser for it to open. As your Google Chrome browser opens, click inside this area and type the name of the item you want to search. Okay, let's say in this case, I want to search for bananas, okay? So I will type banana, all right? So after typing the item you want to search for, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. All right, here I'm using Windows PC. So I'm going to press the enter key of my Windows keyboard, or if you are using Mac, you can press the return key. Okay, this has given you the definition of bananas, but that's not really what we want here. We want the pictures of bananas, all right? So you can see here images. Just click on this images tab. Now this displays a lot of pictures that contains bananas, right? From here down, you will see a lot of them. So it's left for you to make your choice. Okay, so let's say that this is the one I want to use. In this case, I will click on it. Once you click on it, it will open by this right margin of your search result. So the next step you may likely take here is to save this picture in your PC. And for you to save that, right click on the item. Okay, you can see here you see save image as, select it. So this banana item will just go straight to the downloads folder of your PC, but you need to complete some other task by saving it yourself. So I can click here and change this name. Let's say I will have it as just banana, all right? So just give it a name of your choice by typing the name in the file name section and then click on save. So this banana item has been saved. So I can close this and get to any other item I want to save from here. Okay, so once you get to that item, there's another way you can save it. Let's say this is the item I want to save here. You can right click on it, okay, and then you will see some options. So let's see this option that says save images. Okay, you can still save it from here without clicking on it. Okay, then you can click on it again for it to open by this right margin, and once it open by this right margin, you can see it only it on a page. And how do you do that? You right click on it. Okay, so once you right click on it, select the option to. Once you right click on it, you will see some options here. So select this option, open image in new tab. So I'll go with that. So this image of the banana will be opened on this new tab here. So let's wait for it to load. Right. So once it's here, you can right click on it and then you save it as well. Or you can take screenshot of it. For you to take the screenshot of it, long press on the print screen key of your computer keyboard. All right. So once you long press on it, you will see your cursor will change. Is the sign of your cursor will change. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag to cover the area you want. Okay. So once you do this, the screenshot will be captured and it will be placed here for you to make further editing. But I don't want to edit it. So for you to get across to this one that you take the screenshot, you open your file explorer and then get to pictures folder, and inside the pictures folder there is a folder that is created by default, which is this screenshot. Double click on it, and once you double click on it, you see the items you have taken the screenshots. So I'll double click on this one, which is the banana, for it to open fully. And here we are. I can maximize it by clicking on this place. All right, and here we have our banana. So it's that simple. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and insurance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion about this tutorial. And see you next time.